Meghalaya Chess Association MCA mentaga sni ar hoi tarik unaitung kala yo ban Sdang ya kalumpung ya lekai chess bala tip kum ka 46 Meghalaya State Chess Championship yakani kalumpung la penlong ha ka Shillong Umsning Ribhoi District bar bala penya da ka Ribhoi District Chess Association kani kalumpung ya lekai kanne arsni lenter bala wan baneshim benta na ki Henry utili ki district jong ka jela hakaba ki player ki batbet ki lawan baneshim benta bada ka jinkerman bakin long ki ladu bad bakin yo lat bad ban mi khmat ya ka jela Meghalaya sheki jingya khon ki ba kham he bad ki khna ki ba job hakani ka lumpung kin yo ban mi khmat ya ka jela sheki wei pat ki jela ya kani ka jingya kop le kai chess lawan ban play perda do MLA ka Umsning u Dr Celestine Lengdo kumu kongsan harang kat ka jingya don lang uba Rocky Marwin uba KM Warjuri President ka Meghalaya Chess Association uba Frankie Nongrum President ka RBDCA uba Rocky Kala Chairman ka Umsning Town Dorbar bat kiwe kiri rangba bat ki player ki ba pau jong ka jela.
With great pride and honor, I declare the any number 46 the 46th Meghalaya State Chess Championship open.
Move anyone as a mark for opening instance. Anyone. Let everyone. Coach out.
Hours together to fight only by their mind games. So it makes me think and wonder, and we should ask the questions to each one of ourselves. Why do people fight physically? They fight because they stop using their mind. They stop using their power of reasoning. They stop thinking of what will happen when they raise a hand. But in chess, I have seen all the players, they really scratch their head before making a move. If I make this move, my dice will go. So I have to be very careful. If I make the clock, I think if they delay too much, marks will be cut. Or points maybe. I don't play chess, so I don't know much. But what I observed is that within a reasonable time, they should make their move. So it's a good gesture from the Meghalaya Chess Association to decide to adopt schools and teach this game to our students, to our citizens, how to play chess and how to use our minds. Maybe if all of us take interest in chess, there will be less fights. I think you will agree with me on that. So, I wish this two-day tournament, today and tomorrow, for all who come and participate, even for the organizers, we will always find ways to see our shortcomings and improve. I wish all the participants who have come from different districts to utilize this 2 days time and improve your skills at making the right moves for the game of chess.
Their PADA this time. Like earlier, it was not sufficient for them. So last time we had the team from Garo Hills, some of the players, they were having difficulty in maintaining themselves. So this time we have enhanced our TAD also to the top 4 players. And one coach, I think, will try our best to send together with the team. I won't talk much about this chess. Yeah, it is no doubt a brain game, but only with brain you cannot play. If you have a weak body, you sit here for 2-3 hours, Your brain will be working perfectly, but your body will not allow you. So physically also you have to be very well maintained. So it is not only that even only your brain is okay, you can play chess. No. Physically also you have to be very strong. And whatever you do in life, chess teaches that you'll be, even if you think something good, you'll think 10 times. If you think something bad also, 10 times you'll think about it. A chess player will never do anything which will be harmful. They'll try their best for the betterment of the society. And as you have seen, India is coming up very well now. Earlier, no doubt India was good in chess, but now India has come to the second position in the world. And with these youngsters, and even in our state recently, in the international tournament at Assam, international FIDE rated, FIDE is a world body, he stood first in under 7, and he'll be playing here, I think. And there is one from Garo Hills, Mr. Balbir Sama, he stood third in the open category of under 1800 rating. So I won't take much of your time because many great tournaments. I wish you all a very nice tournament. As you all know that the local district, they have given you accommodation, fooding and everything. Even though they are not having any fun, but they took this initiative. I'm really thankful to Riboy district for this. Yeah, some help can come from MCA, Meghalaya Chess Association. We'll try our best, but let's hope some other also like from government, this and that, they'll be getting something which will be helpful for them. And here we have now also many youngsters also paying, because it is an open tournament and you can come as a donor entry. So anyone who qualifies from the top 4 player will represent the Meghalaya state in the nationals. The All India nationals will be held very soon. So and this time we'll try our level best to provide them with good facilities, like they can go in air conditioned. They can go in an air-conditioned coach, and after that, even
chess association hane ko ri boy ke ek jing sno jong thia dim ba na kalem jong state on ra ek ka championship chess championship ane ko boy then even on halot ne
jenis kong so men ba ka chess association Pha ini ai kalan ban organisasi 46 city championship partnership sokmen but hakani ka championship ban Dover district ki ban simenda but hakani ka championship hi ono akibat yo top 4 ni ila ka sport national level but kami sokmen abang ba ek ba pa tu hane ba akum ka Riboy district hi ni kwa ba hamang ta kini ki kandong cluster to Riboy district ba kini ka school in chess ka play ka but ni la don play school Sdang na ko Umsning English lower primary school asal in chess school but dalam ala pernah aji kan ki but shoot but supplement tu nambah kini ka director of school education and CC ka ai order babar school ko mekira ki ban introduce ka school in chess maka chess ke de ko ji la kai ka ba ono ko hi ke de ka low budget game pom dulu san thang ka ta ba ka bala ban afford de mono ko du ko so bala ban afford ke de le dang kam tam ma ki nyo ji kai ba ko ro ke ra ki ha ka jing chu kha ki ba kin long khan ju kha ba ki long ban chai ki long ba long patient ba kin nang ban move ki ji long no ka kung life lesson game ke ji ki ya ki de kai ka chess ko brain game di lamba kini ka order na po ka government pengikraman ba ngi telang bat ki Shillong club repair ni along ke chess kalian ke jangka di boy bakum juga mereka orang boleh bakum tam lagi por tentang ini kampung kita interest nak ke sports langi pak mesin ke grassroots dagar mungkin kena punya bandung ini nak ayo kila ban progress jumki ban kila ban like school ni jumlin basdeu dia kata football ya baru ini tentu yang Shillong di klub Shillong pada stop tiba ni ka RDCA buat session kenang bangila long ya kene ke temu ban kolam ni jing hai kena Shillong ke tanya apa tangi kente